Welcome to Maeve's Stream channel, where we show you how to make amazing crafts and gifts for your loved ones. Today, we are going to show you how to make a beautiful pop-up card with paper roses and hearts. To make this card, you will need 2 pieces of paper of the same size. We are using 21 cm by 18 cm paper, but you can use any size you like. First, we are going to work on the middle part of our card. We fold one piece of paper in half and mark the center crease. Then we draw some lines from the crease to the edge of the paper, as shown in the video. We cut along these lines and pull out 3 sections of the paper. These will be the pop-up parts of our card. Next, we are going to work on the cover page of our card. We cut another piece of paper that is 28 centimeters long and half an inch wide. Then we fold it in half and shape it like a heart. We glue it to the center of the other piece of paper. Then we make some cuts all around this paper to create a fringe effect. We glue this paper to the front page of our card, forming a heart shape. Now we need some paper roses to decorate our card. In our previous video, we showed you how to make paper roses easily and quickly. If you missed it, you can watch it by clicking on the link in the description or on the pop-up at the end of this video. We are going to use some paper roses for this card. You can use as many as you like. We glue one paper rose to the center of the heart on the cover page. Then we glue more paper roses to the cover sections of our card. We also add some pearls to give some extra sparkle and elegance to our card. Now we are gluing both papers together. If you want to make your card extra strong, you can add another piece of hard paper in the middle. This will make your card more durable and sturdy. We are almost done with our card. Now we just need to add a note to the middle part of our card. You can write anything you want on this note, such as, "I love you," "Happy anniversary," or, "You are my sunshine." We are using a simple, "For you," note for this card. Finally, we are going to decorate the border of our card with some smaller pearls and some heart-shaped paper cutouts. We glue them all over the edges of our card, making it look more festive and romantic. And voila! Our pop-up card is ready. Isn't it lovely? You can surprise your loved one with this beautiful handmade card and make their day extra special. For now, it's time to say goodbye. See you soon with another video. Thanks for watching.